Have you ever wondered how to buy Shiba Inu coin? In this vast digital universe, cryptocurrencies have become the new gold rush. And among them, Shiba Inu coin is the one that's been making waves recently. But how do you get your hands on it? Is it as complicated as it sounds? Or is it an investment that could potentially change your life? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to demystify the process. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step guide to buying your first Shiba Inu coin. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to understand what Shiba Inu coin is. Let's take a moment to unpack this. The Shiba Inu coin, often known as Shiba, is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was created in August 2020. It's named after the Shiba Inu, a Japanese breed of dog that's also the mascot of Dogecoin, another popular cryptocurrency. But don't be fooled. Although they share a canine mascot, these are two distinct cryptos with their own unique characteristics. The Shiba Inu coin was initially launched as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. It's an ERC20 token, which means it operates on the Ethereum blockchain. This gives it a solid technological foundation and enables it to benefit from Ethereum's well-established infrastructure. The Shiba Inu coin has been dubbed the Dogecoin killer, due to its potential to outgrow Dogecoin's massive market cap. It quickly gained popularity and recognition within the crypto community and beyond, making headlines and sparking conversations. Notably, the Shiba Inu coin does not have a cap on the number of coins that can be mined, unlike Bitcoin. This has led to a large supply of Shiba coins, which contributes to its relatively low price compared to other cryptocurrencies. However, this high supply does not necessarily diminish the coin's potential or value. Now that you know what Shiba Inu coin is, you're ready to explore how to buy it. Before you can buy Shiba Inu coin, you need to do some preparations. Now you might be wondering, what are these preparations? Let's delve into that, shall we? First and foremost, you need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Consider this wallet as your own personal bank account, but for cryptocurrencies. It's where you'll store your Shiba Inu coins once you've bought them. There are a variety of wallets out there, both hardware and digital, each with their own set of features. Some prioritize security, others ease of use. It's essential to choose one that aligns with your needs and comfort level. Next, you have to choose the right cryptocurrency exchange. This is the platform where you'll actually be buying your Shiba Inu coins. Think of it as the marketplace for cryptocurrencies. There are many exchanges out there, each with their own pros and cons. Some offer lower fees, others a wider choice of cryptocurrencies. Do your research, compare exchanges, and choose one that suits your needs best. Of course, securing sufficient funds is a critical step. Investing in cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu coin is not without risk. It's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose. Don't dip into funds meant for necessities like rent, food, or bills. Be smart and responsible about your investment decisions. Lastly, don't forget to educate yourself. The world of cryptocurrencies can be complex and volatile. Understanding the market trends, the technology behind these digital currencies, and the potential risks can go a long way in making informed decisions. Knowledge, after all, is power. With these preparations complete, you're now ready to buy Shiba Inu coin. Remember, the journey to becoming a cryptocurrency investor is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, do your homework, and make decisions that you're comfortable with. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Shiba Inu coin? Let's get started. Now, follow these steps closely to buy your first Shiba Inu coin. Let's begin with the basics. To buy Shiba Inu coin, you'll first need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange platform. There are several reputable platforms available, such as Binance, Coinbase, or eToro. Choose one that you feel comfortable with and sign up. This process normally involves providing some personal details and verifying your identity, so make sure you have your documents handy. Once your account is set up, it's time to deposit funds. This can usually be done through a bank transfer or by using a credit or debit card. Simply navigate to the deposit section of the platform, select your preferred payment method, and follow the prompts to add funds to your account. Be mindful of any transaction fees that may apply. Next, you'll need to search for the Shiba Inu coin. This can be done by typing Shibi into the search bar. Once you've found the Shiba Inu coin, click on it to open up the trading page. Here, you'll see a graph showing the coin's price history, as well as its current price. This information can be useful in deciding when to buy. Now, it's time to place your order. This step can vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, but generally you'll need to select Buy, enter the amount of Shiba Inu coin you want to purchase, and click Confirm. Some platforms also offer options to set a specific price at which you want your order to execute, known as limit orders. This can be particularly helpful if you're not in a rush and want to wait for the price to reach a certain level before buying. Once your order has been placed, it will be processed by the platform and the Shiba Inu coins will be added to your account. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the platform and market conditions. And finally, once the coins are in your account, it's crucial that you secure them. This can be done by enabling two-factor authentication, using a secure password, and avoiding clicking on suspicious links. Some people also choose to transfer their coins to a hardware wallet for extra security. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to buying your first Shiba Inu coin. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, so always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Congratulations, you've just bought your first Shiba Inu coin. Now that you own some Shiba Inu coins, you might wonder, is this a smart investment? Let's delve into this question. When it comes to investing, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies, the waters are often murky, swirling with both potential rewards and risks. Shiba Inu coin, like any other cryptocurrency, is no exception. Cryptocurrencies are renowned for their volatility. Prices can skyrocket to the moon one day and tumble down the next. This volatility can be a boon or a bane depending on how you navigate it. One thing to remember is that volatility can lead to substantial gains, but it can also lead to significant losses. Take Shiba Inu coin for instance. It has seen some impressive spikes in its value, but remember, what goes up can also come down. So, while the potential for high returns is tempting, it's essential to consider the flip side of the coin. Another point to consider is the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies. Many factors can influence their value, from market sentiment and trends to regulatory news and technological developments. In other words, the value of Shiba Inu coin doesn't solely depend on its utility or intrinsic value, but also on what investors believe it's worth. Now, does this mean you should avoid investing in Shiba Inu coin? Not necessarily. While the risks are real, so are the potential rewards. What's crucial is to approach this investment with a clear understanding of the risks involved and a strategy to manage them. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk, and stay informed about the market trends and news. So, is Shiba Inu coin a smart investment? That's a question only you can answer based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and understanding of the cryptocurrency market. Remember, investing in any cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu coin, should form part of a diversified investment strategy. So that's how you buy Shiba Inu coin. Quite the journey, isn't it? We've navigated the sea of cryptocurrencies together and learned about the Shiba Inu coin, its origins and its potential. We've also prepared ourselves for the ride, setting up wallets, and getting familiar with exchanges. Then we dove right into the step-by-step guide, acquiring our very own Shiba Inu coins. We've assessed whether or not it's a smart investment, considering the volatility of the crypto market and the importance of staying informed. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is exhilarating, but it's also a realm where knowledge is power. Your decisions should always be based on thorough research and careful consideration. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the 10 Billion Club channel. Comment "I subscribed" and we'll respond. Stay tuned for more exciting content on cryptocurrencies.